Today we decided to come back to this spot that we were here at the other day. Florence really loved it here last time, so we thought we'll come back again. It's not too far away from the other spot that we usually go. This is like past Coolum though. And when you get to the beach, you can actually see the main beach there at Coolum. Further along in the video. Such a busy day here today. I think everybody was out because of the warmer weather. Well, the sun was finally out today. This spot here, all the puppies were going for a swim. They loved it. Just here in the background you can actually see a dog. It's way out there going for a swim. I think Florence was looking for this dog too when she was on the beach to come out. Another little friend for Florence to play with. Or maybe not this time. And as you can see in the distance, that's Coolum just there. The main beach there. That's so cute, isn't it? Heading back now, and Florence does end up jumping in quickly into this little like thing. Gets out very quickly though. All these other dogs are in there too. And then we wash her down and we head home.